Hey, it's Terry with Tuesday Tip from Real Turf Solutions. Hey, wanted to talk to you for a second about 811. Everybody sees these signs out that say, hey, call before you dig, those kind of things. I just wanted to give you some importance behind that. Um, we know that as we do properties, we call and get 811 to come out and mark all the utilities. They come out and they flag everything and they let us know exactly where everything is located. We joke about it around the office. You never know what treasure is buried in your ground until you start digging. And we've dug up cables and wires and different things. Even though we know that there's things in the ground, we've hit things in the past because nobody knew they were there, or they were out of place, or those kind of things. And so the importance behind calling 811 is very important as you dig dirt. Nowadays, you can find cables that are buried 2 or 3 inches in the ground to power cables that are buried 4 feet, 6 feet in the ground. So before you get out there and before you start doing yard work or a bunch of extensive flower bed work and those kind of things, take your time to get 811 a call. They'll come out. It's a free service. They come out and they'll mark all your utilities for you before you start that project, just to make sure that everything is in good shape and you're not planting a plant or a tree right on top of your water line or your gas line or your utility line or your power line, and then be without one of those services for an extended period of time. So, hey, I hope this helps in understanding the importance of why you should call 811. If we can help you with your landscape needs, give us a call.